When you out and you move to Texas, you have that old motorcycle and a wild young way to ride off on it. I had to leave town, I had a lot on my mind, so I booked this Rochester upstate. I'm bound down to Tampa this time, and I know I've been riding this A1 coast road. I just went looking for an old friend of mine. Under this East Coast sunset, it's raining regret. One of these days I'm about to lose my mind, and it's anytime now. Anytime now. Well, here I go on this radio song, and it's time. It's something about this old rock and roll, and it's helping me soothe my soul. Cause in my mind, I'm hell-bent, hell yeah, I've been drinking liquor and thinking quicker. But one of these days, I'm about to lose my mind. And I know, I've been riding this A1 coast road. I just went looking for an old